Hello children. So today here you are going to learn a new craft. So all this is what you learned. You learned about two crafts. About the Diya collage work you have learned. You have learned about Ganesh festivals, Ganpati Papa. So now I will be teaching one new craft. Now which festival is going to come? Diwali. So for Diwali what is you are going to do? You have to wish your friends, you have to give greetings and all those things to your friends and relatives. So you have to make it by yourself, children. So are you ready for that? Are you ready, children? Yes. For that what you need? You need very small things. Whatever it is at home, you have to use it. Don't purchase from anything from outside. So you have to stay safe and you have to be very happy and you should enjoy it. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You have to, what you are going to make? You will be making a beautiful greetings. What is this? This is diya. So you are going to make this diya. So for that what you all need? You need, what is this? Drawing sheet. You need some marble paper. You need Fevicol. You need some colors and sketch pen. Okay. You all need all these things. So are you ready, children? Yes. Come on. Now see to this. Now you have to take one drawing sheet. Make it into half. Make it into exact half. Now this is the opening side and this is the closing side. Now you keep this aside. Now afterwards you have to use it. Now take out one marble paper. You all have that, any color you can use it. Whatever color you have, you can use that. Okay. Now first folding is you have to fold it into a triangular shape. You have to make the triangular shape. See, all the three sides are there. You have already, a maths teacher told you what is this? This triangle. Triangle has three sides. This fold is called as triangular fold. Again you fold it to the next corner. You will be getting one more triangle. This is also a triangle. Now you have to, one of this corner, see here, is like a pocket. Is like a pocket. You can see this is like a two pockets. In that, in the corner of that, you make it into half. It should not come out. It should not come out. It looks like a boat. It looks like a boat, but it is not a boat. Now, you have made this. Now, you have to stick this. Take some Fevicol. You put this Fevicol only as a line. Don't put full. Don't make it like a bread jam. Okay. You have to put it very little. And then you have to paste it on the closed side. This is the closed side. In this closed side, on the down part, you stick it. Okay. Now, if this also it will be getting open. When you stick it, this also will get open. Don't worry. You have to put little bit of gum to paste it again. You have to paste this part also. You have to paste it. Now, what is that? Now, what is that? You have to make diya. Diya, on the last class, I told you how to make the rangoli. Rangoli for keeping diya. Now, I am going to teach you how to make diya. Now, take your one pencil or any whatever you have. You have to draw one diyas. It looks like flame. This is a fire. For this, what is the fire's color? You have to use your crayons. That is yellow color. You paste it. You color it inside this. You color this. And the flame is also a little bit of reddish color. So you can use some orange color also. And then give some shades. It should look like a flame. And you can put some, the flame, it spreads, the light spreads all over. So make the yellow and orange, little bit of lines. Very slowly you have to draw. Your teacher is drawing very fast, but you should not do so fast. You have to know. Now, in this, now your diya is ready. Can you see, children? Your diya is ready. You can do the decoration, whatever the decoration. You can put one star. You can put many stars. You can decorate all these sides. You can decorate. See here how I have decorated here. See what all the things I have done it. Here, what is this? This is a sky lamp. This is a lantern. It is called as sky lamp, or it is called as lantern. Here the star lantern. The road you might have seen big lanterns. All it has written as Shri or Om in that. Okay. And what is this, children? Crackers. Okay, for Diwali you want to light crackers. So this I have drawn crackers. You can decorate. See here I have made some strings with small leaves and flowers. Here I have drawn many diyas. In this way you can draw anything, whatever you want. Your mommy make yummy laddus. You can draw laddus. You can make chaklis. That chaklis you can draw. Or you can draw your good dress. My daddy might have brought you good dress. That dress you can draw a beautiful dress, or you can put your mummy's and daddy's photo. You can stick it and tell them Happy Diwali. And inside what you are writing, when you open this, you have to write Happy Diwali. See how I have drawn Happy Diwali. You can draw any drawings, whatever drawings you like. You can draw even teddy bear. You all like teddy bear. You can draw Doraemon. You can draw Mickey Mouse, Tom and Jerry, anything. What a Motu Patlu. Anything you can draw, whatever you feel. You have to draw and you have to write what you have. B-E-S-T. What is this? Best. Wishes. W-I-S-H-E-S. Best wishes from. F-R-O-M. From. So from whom? First you have to write your name. And to whom you are going to give. If you are going to give to your brother, write your brother's name. If you are going to give your friends, you have to write your friend's name. Now, I am going to give to my friend. Now, see what I am going to write here. See, now best wishes from, who am I? I am Srimati teacher. So, what I will write? Srimati. I will write Srimati. To whom I am going to give? I am going to give to my friend. My friend name is Shruti. Shruti. So, see what I have written. I have written my name and I am going to give this present to Shruti. Okay. Okay, children. Now, Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to you all. You enjoy. Make these greetings. Give to your friends and you enjoy. Stay home. Stay safe and play crackers very safely in the presence of your parents. Okay, children. You wait for me. I'll be coming to you to have your yummy laddu made by your mom. Okay. Bye, children. Happy Diwali.